the jungle where the wild things play. The sun is shining bright, it's a perfect day. Monkeys swing from branches, laughter fills the air. Join the celebration, come on if you dare. Tigers strut with pride in their stripes of gold, while parrots sing sweet songs, their stories unfold. Elephants stomp along with a rhythm so grand. Together we'll dance, let's make a joyful band. The river's flowing fast with a splash and a cheer. Crocodiles are grinning, they're ready to steer. Frogs leap in the puddles, creating a show. In this jungle party, we're all in the flow. Giraffes stretch their necks, reaching for the sky, while the playful little lemurs jump and fly. Bouncing to the beat, with a twirl and a spin. In this wild celebration, let the fun begin. The night brings the stars, as the fireflies glow. Bats swoop and dive, putting on a show. With every creature here, we're a colorful sight. In the jungle's embrace, everything feels right. So gather round, friends, let's raise a toast high to the laughter and joy under the moonlit sky. With the animals united in this festive spree, in the heart of the jungle, we're wild and free. The night brings the stars as the fireflies glow. Bats swoop and dive, putting on a show. With every creature here, we're a colorful sight. In the jungle's embrace, everything feels right. So gather